Facing trouble with your iPhone's display while charging? iOS 18 brings the perfect solution with standby mode. This feature turns your iPhone into a smart display when placed on its side while charging, offering everything from a glanceable clock to widgets and personalized setups. The issue often happens because we don't take full advantage of this feature, but no worries, let's dive into how you can use standby mode like a pro. Step 1. Enable standby mode. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap standby. Toggle on standby mode. Toggle on night mode, then turn on show notifications if you want them to show on standby mode. Step 2. Activate standby mode. Start by connecting your iPhone to a charger, then place it on its side, horizontally on a stand, and you'll see that it goes into standby mode and show your calendar, clock, and notifications. Just swipe over these widgets to change them. So that's a wrap, folks. With these steps, you can really make the most out of standby mode and take your iPhone's functionality to the next level. Give it a try, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.